You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly in English. The top word is pronounced as counsel. It's the word for an advisory group or meeting. Counsel. The bottom word is also pronounced as counsel. It's a word for advice, an individual giving advice or guidance. There are homophones, meaning that they are pronounced exactly the same way. Counsel, soul, stress on the first syllable. It's easy once you know counsel, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.